everybody? Another week, another dollar. Today is Sunday, June 28th. I hope everybody's enjoying their weekend. Me personally, I'm happy to be back after being off for the last 2 weeks for paternity leave. Looks like we're in store for another exciting week on Wall Street, so let's jump right into it. These are the top 5 things to know this week. Kicking it off with number 1. Markets will likely stay on edge as developments surrounding the latest spike in U.S. coronavirus cases are once again expected to drive sentiment. Unofficial data shows that the Dow is set to drop around 200 points when futures markets open on Sunday night as new U.S. COVID-19 cases rose by more than 40,000 for the third consecutive day on Saturday. Texas, Florida, Arizona, and California saw their numbers surge, prompting local officials to roll back measures to reopen the economy. So be on the lookout for further updates from those states as the resurgence in coronavirus cases could lead to more economic shutdowns, which would of course dampen hopes of a V-shaped recovery. On to number 2. The June jobs report will be the highlight on the economic calendar this week. Just a heads up, it comes out on Thursday instead of the usual Friday release due to the July 4th Independence Day holiday in the US. Analysts expected to show that another 3 million jobs were created last month, on top of the 2.5 million positions added in May. The unemployment rate is expected to fall by 1 percentage point to 12.3%. The other closely watched employment report this week will, of course, be weekly jobless claims, also due on Thursday morning. On to number 3. Besides the jobs data, the ISM PMI for the manufacturing sector due on Wednesday will provide further updates on the health of the economy. While the survey is expected to show an improvement from a month earlier, it is still forecast to remain in contraction territory for the 4th straight month. As always, you can head over to Investing.com and track the data releases in real time on our economic calendar. On to number 4. In addition to the data, investors will also watch comments from Fed Chair Jay Powell, who will appear before the House Financial Services Committee on Tuesday along with Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin. The two are expected to provide further updates on the government's multi-trillion-dollar stimulus programs to help the economy get through the coronavirus crisis. That will be important as markets await further headlines regarding another fiscal stimulus package from Congress later this summer. And finally, number 5, investors will turn their attention to earnings reports from Micron on Monday, FedEx on Tuesday, and Macy's on Wednesday. FedEx's report will be of extra importance. It will be interesting to see what the global shipping giant has to say about the ongoing impact of the coronavirus crisis on the world economy. So that's it for me. Don't forget to head over to YouTube, hit the like button, the subscribe button, and may the trading gods be with you. Have a good one, everybody.